AlexaMaster.
What's up guys? Welcome back to AlexaMaster community YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to increase your YouTube views with our AlexaMaster website. When you access our website, you will see like this. Scroll down a little bit, stop here, and copy your YouTube channel to this blank space. Click Submit. Choose Video Views and replace your link and video address blank. You have to choose time to watch. Normally it's from 1 to 2 minutes, because if less than that, the view cannot be counted. You need to choose how many people will watch your video, the country that you want to promote your video, then select what kind of your viewers. For example, online business owner, musician, singer, DJ, etc. Don't forget that we also offer 30% discount for new member. Click Add to Cart to move to the next step. Here is your order, but we have to do some few more steps to check out the order. These options allow you to add more services to your order, such as website traffic, YouTube video views, and services such as hiring a professional freelancer, purchasing more points, or upgrading to VIP. Next, you can choose your payment method. You can pay via PayPal, debit card, or cryptocurrency. It is necessary to fill your name and your email. You have to read the user agreement, then click Accept to go to final step, clicking Checkout. Okay, that is the last step to check out your order, but if you have any problem with all opposed steps, please do not hesitate to contact our support team.
AlexaMaster.